Hello ladies and gentlemen, Devin from Decon here. Today I'm doing a very quick unboxing of Apple's HomePod, which is their first smart home device. First, we have the HomePod itself, and attached is a very nice nylon braided power cable. And as expected, the HomePod is made of really nice materials and has substantial weight to it. At the bottom of the box is the included documents. First is a quick initial setup, then the information on the 1-year warranty, followed by safety and care information, and last but certainly not least, the beloved Apple sticker. Well, that wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to mash that subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.